everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the light brown shade and dark brown shade and mix them together and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the other shade and put that on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Wispy Crisscross full dial eyelashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Soil No Pore Blem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425 Warm Olive. For some more coverage, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Creaseless Concealer in Rich Golden, and I'm putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette for my blush as well as to highlight. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and NARS Air Matte Lip Color in Morocco. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this cinnamon eyeshadow look that I did. This is a look that is quick and easy. It doesn't take long to do. So I hope that this makeup tutorial was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And that is it, y'all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.